going to do it, oop, I almost didn't have enough. Just apply another light second coat. I want this to really get in there, completely seal this off. Get this side one more time. Building up pretty nice. You can see it. It's working out really nice. Looks good. There. Now we're going to leave it. Let me close all these jars up. All right, what we're gonna do now is we gotta let this dry. So after, well, I'm gonna give this thing about a good 8 hours of dry time. And then after 8 hours, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna lightly sand this with 320. I am going to tack cloth this off, and then we're gonna start spraying this with lacquer, and we're gonna build this up. Every coat of lacquer is gonna sit, dry, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do a light sand with 220 between each coat, and I'll build this up. I'm thinking at least 4 to 6 coats on the top, and I think we'll call it good, buff out the last one, and then wax it up good. And then that'll be it. I'll just make sure that the skirts underneath look good, which they do. So we'll just double check it. If I have to, I'll re-hit it with just a little bit of stain. If I have to, maybe we'll shoot that right away too. But until the next part of doing the light sanding and spraying the lacquer on it, which will be part 4, I guess I'm done. So until then, you guys be safe, make some sawdust. The tree's work is never done. Please subscribe, like, and share the videos. I really appreciate it. And until then, take care. Bye-bye.